Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the calendar app and finding the recurring entry you want to remove. Tap the event to open its detail view. This reveals time, calendar, and repeat settings. Make sure you're viewing the correct series and not a single instance, otherwise you'll delete only one occurrence. If the event is in a shared calendar, note that permissions may affect changes. Once done, tap Edit in the top right to access the recurrence and deletion options. Now, under Edit, scroll to repeat and open the recurrence details so you can stop the repeating rule. If you prefer to remove the whole series, press Delete Event instead of changing Repeat to Never. Pressing Delete brings a prompt asking whether to delete this event only, all future events, or the entire series. Choose All Events to remove every occurrence. If you pick All Future Events, prior occurrences remain. Select carefully based on your intent. Finish by confirming the deletion choice. Tap Delete All Events or the option that matches your goal. Once removed, pull down in Calendar to refresh and ensure it's gone. If the event persists, check which calendar the event belonged to. A subscribed or shared calendar may re-add entries, so ask the owner to remove it or unsubscribe. As a last resort, toggle the calendar off and on or restart your iPhone to force a sync, then verify the series is deleted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.